name is Radhika Patel. I am from Macmillan High School, and for my project, I created a Chrome extension for text analysis. The employer that I'm creating this project for is Uber. So, what is the problem that we are trying to solve? Easy to understand text and language is essential for Uber's users across the globe. So, Uber's content creators need a solution to be able to revise their text and make their content easy to understand for customers and content creators. To the right is a sample text, and the Chrome extension that I have created will be able to identify the complexity of this text. So I'm going to do a demo of the Chrome extension, creating an analysis of this text. So I'm going to install the extension that has been downloaded to the hard drive, and the extension has been downloaded. It is called Spot Extension. In order to start the extension on the Google Doc, I will click Analyze, and the analysis of the Chrome extension will pop up as shown to the right. So the analysis shows the complex sentence, the total words in the complex sentence, the complex words within the sentence, and the flush score. The flush score is calculated using the number of syllables per word and the number of words per sentence. The score is in the range of 0 to 100. So if the score is closer to 0, that means the sentence is difficult to understand. For this text, the two complex sentences are the first sentence, which is starvation malnutrition, and the second sentence is the starvation of prisoners, which is right here. For the first sentence, the flush score is closer to 0, meaning that the sentence is pretty difficult to read. For the second sentence, we can see that the flush score is closer to 100, but it is too long. We can see that the total number of words is 22. So if I revise the second sentence, I should be able to see a change in the analysis, and that is what I'm going to demonstrate. After I've changed the text, the sentence that was once a complex sentence is no longer a complex sentence. This is because I have decreased the number of words that I was using within the sentence. The extension reruns every 15 seconds, so if new changes are made to the sentence, then the analysis will also change. Let's take another example. I have another piece of text in the Google Doc, and I'm going to run the same extension again. Once I click Analyze, the analysis will pop up to the right, just like a Google Doc comment. The same factors are shown for every analysis: the complex sentence, the total words, the complex words within the sentence, the flush score, and the feedback. So the sentence that is complex in this text is this highlighted one right here. And let's look at the feedback. Your sentence is very difficult to read. That is because the flush score is 28.5, which is somewhat close to 0 rather than 100. And that is why the sentence is difficult to read. Now I'm going to explain how the Chrome extension works. So the Chrome extension parses through the text and makes an HTTP post request to the backend API. The API then responds back to the extension with an analysis of the text in a JSON format. There are multiple factors that determine the complexity of a sentence. If there are more than 3 syllables per word, then this word is complex. If there are more than 20 words per sentence, then the sentence is complex. And the flush score. The flush score can be calculated using the syllables per word and words per sentence. Here is a sample API response that the Chrome extension receives in a JSON format. So the Chrome extension parses the text from the Google Docs and makes an HTTP post request with that text. Then it parses the response and presents it back to the user. The JSON response is formatted as a comment to be presented to the user. The API is written using Java 11, and it uses Stanford NLP Java Library version 4.2.2. The extension is written using JavaScript. The API is hosted on AWS, and you can find my code using GitHub. My Chrome extension helps manage and reduce the complexity of content to make it easier for customers to use and navigate the content. My solution helps content creators reduce complexity in their content. My Chrome extension works with Google Docs for now and analyzes the content within the Google Docs. This project can also be enhanced by adding more features such as sentiment analysis using natural language processing. I definitely believe that my Chrome extension will be beneficial for users at Uber.